नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज़ JVN डॉक्टर राकेश शर्मा, प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गन ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड होम्योपैथिक फिलोसॉफी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. I welcome all of you in today practical session of case taking the miasm part. In last lecture we have discussed about the vertigo part of miasm, which miasm is prominent in a particular situation of vertigo. Today I want to take the modalities and concomitant part of the vertigo. Now in SORA, aggravated by movement, warmth, and as the sun's rays increase, looking up suddenly and rising from a sitting or lying position, turning over in bed and on closing the eyes. So, SORA vertigo aggravated by many events like the movement, warmth, sun rays, looking up suddenly and rising from a sitting or lying position, turning over in bed and closing the eyes. Now the amelioration part is by rest, means all complaints ameliorated by rest. So vertigo is also ameliorated by rest, lying down, and when the sun rays decreases, means when sun increases, all complaints becomes aggravated, and while sun becomes down, all his complaints becomes ameliorated. In psychosis, aggravated on closing the eyes and amelioration on opening them. In psychosis, there is aggravation on closing the eyes and amelioration on opening them. Now, in the syphilis, vertigo aggravates at night because all complaints of syphilitic miasm aggravated at night from sunset to sunrise. This is a general aggravation of syphilitic miasm, and in psychotic during cloudy wet weather. And in the SORA, there is aggravation time in the daytime related with the sun. Now in the tubercular, ameliorated by rest, sleep and eating. So we have discussed the modalities part of vertigo. Now the concomitant part of vertigo is the SORA, temporary loss of vision, nausea and vomiting of mucus only. Digestive disturbances may also occur, as may frequent eructation and roaring in the ear. So in SORA, temporary loss of vision and nausea and vomiting of mucus, digestive disturbances, and also some anxiety and fear part is associated with vertigo. In psychosis, associated with restlessness may also present in SORA, but in SORA there is mental restlessness in which patient becomes fearful, anxious. And in psychosis there is physical restlessness. There may also be sensation of formication. Now in the syphilis, total forgetfulness accompanies. So in vertigo of syphilitic, there is chances of presence of forgetfulness, and in tubercular, associated with impatience, dissatisfaction and redness of the face. Tubercular patient is always dissatisfied. So due to this dissatisfaction, patient prone to change. So dissatisfaction and redness of the face. So we have completed the vertigo part of miasm, and I think there is no problem we will face in finding out the miasmatic comparison of the vertigo. So thank you.